As we know, many brokers have different commission policies. This is very important, especially for people who trade quite frequently with high frequency. And in order to provide the most um, comfortable infrastructure to suit these calculations, we have created a custom commissions module where you can actually select what type of commission you want to apply to a particular test. So for example, we can see this trade has lost $475. I can apply a per trade commission of, let's say, $5. Okay, just as an example. Run this again, and we're gonna see a $5 commission applied to every single trade here. And the best thing is that you're free to actually extend this module inside the custom project. So commissions, you just have to, if you want to create your own sort of custom commissions where certain conditions apply based on the trade, like a quantity or price. Okay, you're free to do so. Okay, so this module will return the number of commissions applied per trade or per contract or whatever logic you put in here. Okay, it's very easily a very good thing for testing. Okay, so once you code that, it's gonna come up right here, and you're free to just have it every time.